Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good, loving yourself, smiling a lot, and doing all that brings peace and happiness in your life. Today I have a beautiful story for you. It's about a young boy who faced countless challenges but never gave up on his dreams.
Hi, I'm Rashmi Mandal, an author, certified life coach, Reiki Grandmaster, tarot reader, Akashic record reader, and expert in more than 30 healing modalities. And my mission is to infuse positivity into everyone's life.
Have you ever felt like everything is against you? Like, no matter how hard you try, you always feel like your dreams are just too far away. We all have felt this way at some point in our lives, feeling frustrated, disappointed, and ready to give up. But sometimes, when we feel the worst, we find our true strength and determination. Here is an amazing story about a young boy who made the impossible happen. This is the story of Michael. So join me on this inspiring journey to discover how he overcame life's challenges and beat the odds. Once upon a time, there was a young African American boy named Michael, born in 1963 and raised in the rough streets of Brooklyn, New York. Life was not easy for him. He lived in a small apartment with his four brothers, where his father struggled to earn enough money for their daily needs. Every day was a challenge because they had little money. He often felt like his dreams might never come true. The neighborhood where Michael grew up was really tough. People faced discrimination and life was hard. It often felt like there was little hope for a better future. When Michael was 13 years old, his father handed him a piece of old cloth and asked him how much he thought it was worth. This simple question was about to teach Michael an important lesson about value and determination. Michael guessed and said it might be worth $1. His father then asked if he could sell it for $2, explaining that selling it would greatly help the family with their finances. This lesson was about to teach Michael the value of resourcefulness and making a difference even in small ways. Michael nodded, unsure but determined to give it a shot. He washed the cloth carefully, smoothed out the wrinkles with a brush, and let it dry in the sun. Afterward, he spent 6 hours at a busy station, patiently waiting until someone finally bought it for $2. This experience taught Michael the value of effort and perseverance in making things happen. Encouraged by his first success, Michael kept selling used clothes. 10 days later, his father gave him another piece of cloth and asked he could sell it for $20. Michael was puzzled because he thought it was worth only $2. His father encouraged him to figure out a way to sell it for more, showing him that there are often ways to achieve more than what seems possible at first glance. Michael thought hard and came out with an idea. He asked his cousin to paint pictures of Donald Duck and Mickey Mouse on the cloth. Then he took it to a fancy school where wealthy kids went. A housekeeper They liked the design and bought it for $25 because it was for a child who really liked those characters. Michael was really happy with his clever idea. Now, after a few days, one day his father gave him another piece of cloth and asked if he could sell it for $200. Now, Michael was thrilled and quickly agreed. He found out that Farrah Fawcett, a famous actress from Charles Angels, was in town. Michael managed to get her autograph on the cloth, thinking it would make it special and easier to sell for a higher price. He decided to auction it off, telling everyone it was a jersey signed by Farrah Fawcett, starting the bidding at $200. A businessman was so impressed by the idea and the autograph that he bought it for $1,200. Michael couldn't believe his luck and was overjoyed by how well his plan had worked out. Back home, his father was moved to tears and amazed by what Michael had achieved. That night, as they talked, his father asked Michael what he had learned from selling those clothes. Michael thought about it and said, I learned that when you really want something, you can always find a way to make it happen. His father smiled proudly, knowing his son had learned an important lesson about never giving up on your dreams. His father then explained that he had given Michael the clothes to show him something important. He wanted to prove that just like turning a piece of used cloth into something valuable, they too could overcome their challenges. Despite being poor and facing discrimination because of their dark skin, they had the power as human beings to rise above their circumstances and achieve great things. This realization changed Michael's life. He understood that he should not doubt himself anymore. Just like how a diamond needs polishing to sparkle brightly, people can also improve their lives with hard work and determination. It showed him that he had the power to make something valuable out of his own life, despite any challenges he faced. Remember, your potential is limitless. Keep pushing forward, keep working hard, and never doubt what you can achieve. Just like Michael turned challenges into triumphs, you too can overcome obstacles and reach your goals. Believe in yourself and your abilities because nothing is beyond your reach if you are willing to put it in the effort. So embrace every challenge as an opportunity to grow. Stay focused on your dreams and never let setbacks hold you back. With determination and perseverance, you can turn your aspirations into reality. Trust in your journey, trust in your strength, and always remember that you have the power to make your dreams come true. Nothing is impossible. For more such stories, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. God bless you.